right, good morning. We're Epiphany Designs. This is our first design for Robot 1. I'm Ben.
Dale.
Robbie.
Deanne.
All right, so this is some of the first designs we ran through. That's our very first one up there at the top. We moved over to the second design. I didn't like the way it was kind of kicked back, the way the NXT module was kicked back, so I just asked them if they were okay with us trying to stand it up and redesign the layout of it a little bit, because all the sensors were also pointing forward, and that's kind of one-dimensional, so we decided to just make it two-dimensional. So in design 3, we switched the head to the back, or excuse me, the ultrasonic sensor to the back, and then we messed around with the front side a little bit. We didn't have all the motors incorporated on design 3, and then design 4 we incorporated the claw motor, or sorry, excuse me, the front motor with the claw, but we still had some more tweaks that had to be done with it. And this is some of our trial runs that were failures. Hopefully you guys won't see another one today. No sound. You guys use imagination. You know what the motor sounds like, right? Yeah. I tried to commit suicide. Those are only 2 of probably 3 or 4 dozen failure runs we did. But this is the final design we decided on. We named it Minimus Prime. And we elongated the touch sensor with that rod on the front. Robbie built those arms on the back. I tried to, what my design originally was, just kept one falling over because it spin around really fast. Robbie, how'd you build that on? Because you have some experience with the NXT stuff.
Well, it only had a single wheel in the back, so it would turn real fast, and since it's so top heavy, it would tip over. So we made like a stabilizer. And then we just decided to take the wheel off and just make it like skids. And we just widened it out. It actually worked a lot better.
We had to extend we had to raise the level on the light sensor too, because it kept on smashing into the ball, and the claw would not even grab onto the ball, so we had to do a couple modifications with the design there as well. Dale?
Alright, when we first started doing this, we just wanted to learn how to get it to move around and stuff, and then we started messing around with the sensors. And we wanted to go through like some obstacle course, so go over the sensors, and then we kept on having a problem with it falling off the table. So I was like, let's put on the light sensor so it picks up the change in light off the table. So it'll back up and turn around so it won't fall off the table. And like he said, we didn't have originally all sensors or all motors being used. And I thought that the third motor we could use for claws, since it turns and runs on itself just on 2 motors. And picking up a ball with that motor was pretty good, since we have to do that for this project yet. We have to use the ball yet.
What are you talking about?
Quantum ball. We have to do that for this. I thought it'd be cool, and we had a lot of problems with the sensitivity of most of the sensors, so I had to mess around with a lot of that. Probably still kind of messed up as it, but for the most part, it's performance art.
All right, so now we're going to go into the demonstration. You guys want to come over here? Turned off. It's just on. sorry.
Okay.
That's it.
It works.
Any question? Okay.
I have a question.
Yes.
I remember I came over and you guys were having trouble with it grabbing the ball.
Yeah.
What was the solution?
What we had it. I think we had the claw.
We had the
Go-
claw go down a certain amount of degrees. Did we have it like 65 degrees?
Yeah, the angle was coming down and was too hard, so it was picking the front wheels up off the table, and so it was just the wheels were just spinning once it grabbed the ball.
Okay. Good solution.
But yeah, this is my first experience ever messing with Lego robot stuff. Robbie's been doing it for a while, so he was able to figure out a lot of the stuff, and I would just stare blankly at the robot for a while. He would be able to put some stuff together, and Dale messed with all the programming. Was this your first time doing it? Yeah, so this was a learning experience for 3 of the 4 of us. Robbie is pretty much, he did a lot of the building before it, so. Any other questions?
Okay.
All right,
Yep.
thanks.
Thank you.